I spent a whopping $17.50 at the Dollar Tree. Who wants to see what I got? Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. So I went to the Dollar Tree, as one does, and I was just checking out to see, hey, what if anything is new, and boy, was I blown away. I always hit up the makeup section first, and there were some new things there, but nothing caught my eye. But holy cow, one section over where all of the skincare items were, I was blown away. So the first thing that caught my eye was this product here. This is from BPURE. I have tested and tried out skincare products from the Dollar Tree before. If you missed that video, I will link it in the eye above. But what caught my eye specifically with this one is first the size, and it's pink and has watermelons. This is called the Glow Up Toner. I think, don't quote me, but I'm pretty sure that this is trying to be a dupe for, what's that brand called? It's coming to me. Oh yes, Glow Recipe. I then also noticed more watermelon, and this is the Glow Up Serum, which is also giving Glow Recipe vibes. I then saw this Glow Up Revitalizing Serum. It has pictures of, what is that, pomegranate? I'm not certain, but also giving Glow Recipe vibes. And then there was this one, which is the Glow Up Renewing Serum with avocados. I know for a fact Glow Recipe has an avocado formula serum. And then this one caught my eye because it has strawberries. This is the Glow Up Smoothing Serum. And all of these kind of fruity ones are from a brand called BPURE. This one with strawberries not only has strawberry extract, but it has salicylic acid, AHA, and BHA. Those are the ingredients that help exfoliate your skin and make it look smooth and youthful. So let me know, would you be interested in seeing a try on or test out where I do some swatches? Because I want to like smell all of these products and see, do they just have strawberry extract or do they actually smell like strawberry? I then saw this product. I'm like, what is that? This is a balancing toner mist. I have, first off, never seen toners at Dollar Tree, let alone two different ones. And then this one has a mister. I am a lazy girl, so anytime something has a mister, I'm like, sign me up. Oh, by the way, this is from a brand called Global Beauty Care. And they also, the same brand, Global Beauty Care, had this serum, which is vitamin C facial serum. This is quite large. How many mLs? Oh, okay, it's 50 ml, 1.7 fluid ounces. I then saw this, which is the Hydro Plus water gel from a brand called XTRACARE. This, honestly, without them claiming, looks to me to be a dupe for the Neutrogena. Okay, the packaging is giving more Sol de Janeiro vibes, but let's see. Okay, yes, it's a blue water gel. So my original hunch is Neutrogena. All right, this next product blew my mind. You may be grossed out, but don't. K-Beauty swears by this, and I do as well. So this is a Snail Mucin Moisturizer. Yes, you heard me right. There's a picture of a snail. Don't get grossed out. The enzyme or whatever that comes from snails is really good for your skin. This is also from that Global Beauty Care brand. So for $1.25, I am really impressed. I then saw this serum, which is a multi-peptide anti-aging serum. It's from a brand called Skin Nutrition BIOTANICALS. Never heard of this brand, but for $1.25, I thought, hey, let's give it a try. I then went to grab some face wipes because I use them for removing swatches. Had one in my basket, and then I noticed this one. So this here, and by the way, I got two of them. This is from Power Stick, and it's Face and Body Wipes Brazilian Mist. This is the brand that has the dupish scent for the Sol de Janeiro original Bum Bum Cream scent. What is it? 62 or 64, 66, something. You know, the one that's in the yellow bottle and was the original scent. So not only because of the scent, But these actually have 30 wipes versus the other kind of face wipes they have only have 25 wipes. I then saw this product here, and it reminded me of those scents that are from Bath and Body Works. This is the Rosé Champagne Wishes. And when I smelled it, I'm like, it smells nice. It's a mister. And again, it was only $1.25. And it has a really nice mister. And it smells quite lovely. Last but not least, I decided to take one last look through the makeup section. And this caught my eye. So it's just a 2-pack of a dual-ended pencil sharpener. And I'm like, you know what? They sell one of these on Ulta for like $5. I will take 2 for $1.25 any day of the week. So that is my haul. Yes, there were a lot of skincare items, a lot of serums, a couple different toners, but this is how the Dollar Tree works. If and when you see something, you can't say, oh, I'll pick it up the next time, because guess what? It won't be there. So I just grabbed everything that looked interesting, knowing that in a month when I return, she's not going to be there. And it's only $1.25, and those products should last just fine. But now I want to hear from you. Have you been to the Dollar Tree lately? I know they are slowly raising their prices, but everything I picked up was still $1.25. And come on, you can barely get one serum for $17.50, let alone 14 different products. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow, as does clicking the hype button if you happen to be watching on your phone. All right, thanks everyone.